I have an announcement. I have an announcement. I'm gonna be on TV. No, not like that. Well, I mean, yeah, still like that, but this is different. I did a big thing last year. No, not that. Well, yeah, that was a big thing last year, but I filmed a show and it's airing starting March 9th. It's called Domino Masters. This show is gonna be insane. It's got dominoes, chain reactions, Rube Goldberg machine elements. This thing's gonna be crazy and you have to watch it. Here, take a look right now.
Dominoes, you have a million chances for something to go wrong, and you have one chance for everything to work.
No freaking way.
One wrong move, and the whole thing is gone. Are you ready? This is so stressful.
Oh my God.
Domino Masters, hosted by Eric Stonestreet.
Holy cow, that was awesome!
Coming Wednesday, March 9th to Fox.
Isn't that cool? So yeah, this show's gonna be crazy. You have to watch it. So this is my team. This is Chris and Emma. Chris is an amazing domino builder, and Emma is an all-around domino and chain reaction builder. And together, our team is called Brains and Brawn. We are just, I had the best team on this show. Gosh, I wish I could tell you more, but I can't yet. But you have to watch, This is gonna be so cool. So throughout this entire show, I just have so many cool things planned that involve the show and things that I did on it. So stay tuned because there is a lot coming up. But to kick us off, I built my logo out of dominoes. So let's jump right into that. Anytime that I do a video that's related to the show or with dominoes or chain reactions or probably even marble machines too, I'm gonna use this as my new intro. I'm also gonna be using my CNC to make some domino tools and accessories. So keep on the lookout for that. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. So yeah, I'm so excited to finally be able to share this with everyone because this has been a huge part of my life and I'm so excited for you all to see this. Stay tuned and tune in. The show will be airing on Fox starting March 9th and every Wednesday from then on. And it'll be airing at 9 p.m. So we'll see you there. Okay, that's it for now. See ya.